Today's video is a cool tool video. You know, we haven't done a cool tool in quite a while. I'm going to tell you what this thing is and how to use it coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and if this is your first time here, can I just say welcome to you? We're a home improvement channel where beginners are welcome as well. Now let me tell you what this thing is. Today's cool tool is this here. It's a laser marker, and it's designed for older circular saws that don't come with a laser. Okay, let's see what comes in the package here. Now, it's pretty simplistic. You've got the laser marker, and I gotta tell you, it has some weight to it. We also have a adhesive pad. There are 3 batteries that power the laser, and there's nuts and bolts and screws in the event that you permanently want to attach the laser to your circular saw. Now I'm loading up batteries here. As I said, it takes 3 batteries to power this laser, and I'm just going to screw on the cap here and then test it to see if it's working. And there we go. It is working, and now it's time to attach it to our saw. Now my saw here is, well, it's a newer saw, so it already has a laser. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it up with tape so it doesn't interfere with our test. Now the other thing I want to mention is the fact that, I indicated that you could permanently attach the laser marker to your saw, but check this out, it has magnets as well. So if you've got an older saw that's metal, you can just stick it on there. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this adhesive pad. We're just going to peel it off and attach it. Now that the laser is attached, I just need to line up the laser. I need to make a quick adjustment. Now on the barrel of the laser marker, you can make an adjustment just by turning it to line that laser up where you need it to be. Okay, I've made my line here. Let's find out how well it stays on track. After using the laser marker, I gotta tell you, I wasn't really crazy about the way it attached to my saw. It seemed a little wonky. And I noticed that as I used the saw, the laser, it vibrated a little. So you had to really keep it on track. Other than that, it was okay. So what I will do is this. I'm going to place a link in the description below so you can check this out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.